Sita's just walking around. She had her dinner, and she had her yummy antibiotics, and all the Chinese stuff, all the other good stuff. Didn't you, Sita? You just want to go on a walk. Come on. Walk around. She's just following me. No need to squat anywhere. Just hanging out. Yeah. Ooh, look at that tail go. Hey, Sita. Yes, you want some love and attention, don't you? You don't need to go potty anywhere. You just want to play. Good girl. Yeah. Yummy antibiotics, Chinese medicine, all sorts of other good stuff. Make you all healthy, doesn't it, Sita?